All Cachar Road leiba Jouzangtek hairiba mapham ase Bermuda Triangle ga Pangkhak Oire haina MP Dr. Angomcha Bimol Akoijam na phongdokkhre. Wafam ase ngasi chathakiba Lok Sabha mifam ge 0 hour da MP Dr. Angomcha Bimol Akoijam na phongdokhibane. 0 hour gi kudong chaba lawratuna hauzik mafam khangdan leiba luwangthem mukesh ki matangda pukhatlakhiba warol amada MP Angomcha Bimol Akoijam na hai. Mamang thagi taraga taruk tagi ngasi fauba luwangthem mukesh kauba naha ama mafam khangdan leirakle. Biyoi ase Jouzangtek hairiba mapham asigi manakta yaukre haiba mahaki khonggun libada khangba ngamkhrabane. Mamangdasu irang asigi manungda Jouzangtek hairiba mapham asida linthoi ngambi amade hemanjit kauba naha ani mangkibagi thodok lekre. Mapham asi hek changkibaga thiba khangdaba Bermuda Triangle haiba mapham aduga chap manare. Manipuri President rule thamlaba fauba asigumba thodok asi makha tana thokle. Miyamgi punsi ngak senba amade makhoibu sapana thamba haibase state fundamental duty ne. Thodok asigi matangda Union Home Minister na meeting changduna thiba khangnan leiba mukesh ki langla langji phutokpiyo haina mahakna house ki puning chingchimkhe.
There is a young boy of 20 years old, Mukesh, has disappeared without any trace since March 16th. Near a place, the last known location is called Jouzangtek, which has become almost like a Bermuda Triangle. There's a case of Linthoi Ngambi and Hamanjit. 2 young people have disappeared during this crisis. We have these cases happening even today under President's rules, and I would like to draw the attention of the House as well as the Home Minister that the protection of life of the people is the paramount duty of our state. So I think I would like to draw the attention of the House to look into this case of Mukesh. That's among many cases that have been happening and just disappeared, and we don't care about what happened.